Warrior Gamer.
What's up guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at Loon Lake! Woo! Oh, I did! I just got a fish. Oh my god! Look at all of that, guys. So we guys, I just got us the biggest fish right now. Look at that baby! Look at it! Look at it!
I got my daddy!
Put it in the water. Woo! I got even more. Hey, look at all that fish.
I do. There you
You
go.
got a giant. Did you get a giant?
I got a small one.
Oh, so sad. Go, baby. I want a giant.
Yo, you got a big one!
Don't get one yet.
Guys, look at all that, baby. You better have some. I got another giant. Up there. That's the whole face. I'm a believer. The giant. The giant right there. In water. Gosh, this is how big I got.
Okay, look, we got this. And it's not going to fix the rock. Oh! Holy smokes, guys. Guys, I'm trying to pick it up. Here it goes. See you guys? Ah! Guys, it's cool. It's actually fun. See? The fish is jumping. And I'm trying to pick this stuck up. Do you see, guys? Okay, I'm holding the tail. Guys, and this is awesome thing. Look at that, God, a bigger fish. You guys, see? I'm catching it. I'm just holding it.
Hey guys, so you see over here, we got a crayfish. Now I'm gonna pick it up. You'll not escape. Yeah. Guys, look at it. Say hi.
Hi, Mr. Friend.
Stop biting me, stupid fish. He wants to bite me. You look cool though. Look at this, guys. I'm a little crayfish. Who are you? You come here. Boom. Get something to bite. Wait. Oh God, oh God. Okay guys, we're gonna let the crayfish got it away. Look at the big one. Small one, I'm gonna just yank it and I broke it. I broke it, guys. I broke out one of the crayfish. Hey. Oh, shh. my god. There you go. Go back to wildlife.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this guy calm.
Ow, ow.
Where's the lobster that I just let it go?
Why me?
I let it out. Don't catch it. I let it just go. Look at all these small guys. Now look at all these. Now we let the guy back into the ocean. Oh shit! Look at the small guy. Yay! Shit! Look at me.
Oh,
Wanna hold this guy? Yeah. Yay! I'm gonna hold a double. We'll hold 2 in 1. Look, I'm holding 2. Yay! Yay! Are you legit gonna do the baby?
no, I'm doing
It's too fast for you. See, it's too fast. It'll just keep on running away. Why? You're so cute. And that's how you throw. That's how you let go.